for the toilet and bath, guys. So, ito lang siya maliit. Yes, of course, I'm also going to show you the other facilities nila outside. Plus, as you can see, guys, they're still using the same wall art. Hey guys, this is Jay once again. Welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, I am going to give you another room tour of another APA hotel. But this one, this is going to be the APA hotel in Gion here in Fukuoka. Why don't we start? Let me give you a room tour. So guys, this room is really smaller. As you can see, our things are just hanging everywhere because you don't have actually a place to put your luggages and all your stuff. So that is the main door over there. Look at that umbrella. We don't have a place to put it, and look at this mess all around. That's how it would look like because this room is really smaller than the one we had in Saga. So you see, this is already the bed, and then right on the other side is this vanity table working area, and right there is already the main door of this room. Even have a place to walk dito lang sa pagitan ng bed at saka nitong vanity area, and then of course yung way mo out to the main door. As you can see, guys, they're still using the same wall art just like the APA in Saga, but yeah, overall similar everything, but it's just really the space that is different this time. Mamaya naman, let's check what's inside the CR, but I'm pretty sure it is smaller as well, but they provide similar amenities that they are providing in other APA hotel. Now, for the toilet and bath, guys. So, ganito lang siya kaliit. Yeah, 360. It's towel everywhere. So, as you can see, here is the toilet, and then the little sink, and then right there is the bath area. But they are providing the same, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, facial wash, hand wash, just like the other APA, and this generous amount of all your basic needs for your toiletries. So pretty much everything in here, but really just a smaller version. Yes, of course, I'm also going to show you yung other facilities nila outside, plus the breakfast that they provide along with the room rate. So get our breakfast.
Cracking.